Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a BMW guys Z3 or Z4 guys, and we'll demonstrate on Z4 engine that has been using BMW Z4, but even if you have a Z3, the procedure will be the same. Let's say you have guys a message on the dash that you need to add engine oil, you have yellow oil light on, or you have a light that says low oil level. Stay with us guys, we will explain what can cause that. And one thing guys, super important, make sure to stay until the end. Let's say you put engine oil, the necessary amount, and it still gives you that signal that you have low oil level, or you need to add engine oil, or you have yellow oil light on. We'll explain what can cause that and how to fix it. Now, if you guys, if you need to buy any parts tools for your BMW Z3 or Z4, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts from. Number two guys, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys, and we do that because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a 4 or 6 cylinder engine, especially the Z4 guys, you do not have dipstick. Okay, the Z3 you still have the dipstick, Z4 you don't. So that's where things get a little bit guys, okay, complicated. So if you guys don't have dipstick and you cannot check your oil level, you will have to check it only from the inside of your dash, right? That's on the Z4. So we have a video that explains how to check the oil level on BMW, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. After that guys, okay, how you actually, okay, what it means that when it says add engine oil, low oil level, or you have yellow oil light, it means that you need to add certain amount of oil. Maybe it leaked out, maybe the engine used it, and you need to add it to compensate for that. But let's say you add the oil and you still get that warning message guys. What else can be? Okay, at that point, okay, you're to the point that you don't know how much oil you have in your engine, so you drain the oil, okay, and you change it with new oil, and let's say your manual says your engine needs 7 liters of oil. You put 7 liters and you still get message that you have yellow oil light, or you have guys low oil message, or add engine oil. That means one thing guys, the sensor that detects the oil level is messed up most likely, and you will need to replace it. In most cases that sensor, okay, if you come underneath the car, okay, I'm underneath, if you come right here, check it out, that's on the oil pan, on the bottom of your oil pan, close to your drain plug, okay, you're actually going to have guys, you can see your sensor, okay, right there. This is the oil level sensor. What it does, it actually detects guys the oil level. So if it fails or if it's stuck in one position, it may not read it correctly. So you get guys the idea. Okay, that sensor will need to go and you need to put a new one. If you need to get one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So please guys, check it out. That should guys take care of your problem. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.